Was there with the two captains for the toss-up. Khulna captain Shahriar Nafees tossed the coin and it was called right by the Borishal skipper Brad Hodge. Borishal winning the toss and fielding first. That is the situation, the teams, and alongside me Akil Sama.
Thank you, Shamim. Good evening to you. Good evening to all the viewers. These are the two teams. Barsal Burners have got the likes of Parvez Maharouf, another globetrotter who has got all the experience of IPL, SLPL, and now he's going to feature for Barsal Burners. Kabir Ali is out. Remember, he was the performer in the last game. Khulna Royal Bengals have got two big names in. Shapu Zadran and Nazmuddin are going to play, and Lew Vincent and Nabil Samad will be sitting in the benches this evening.
Quite interesting changes there. I think particularly Parvez Maharouf is going to bring in a new, more psychological than anything else, but it seemed to the middle.
Trying to go up the ladder. We have just seen Duranto Rajshahi.
Here we go, once again. Down the leg side. That's it away. Take that. Stand and deliver. Nazimuddin needed that kind of a clout to
into the hut without scoring anything against the same opposition. But he's on his way in style. Great shot. Down the ground, risk-free. The moment he was going to hit, he was sure that it is.
Nicely played into the gap, and that is what the doctor ordered. At the right time.
Charged against Shafiul Islam, pitching outside and coming on to that one, perfectly placed, squeezing that one for 4 runs. First boundary so far.
Between 40 and 50, at least. There it is. Welcome to the BPL, Mr. Maharouf. Middle stump, but these guys are under pressure and they've come out of it beautifully.
That's a terrific hit from Nazimuddin. It was there in the slot and he just flicks it away.
Dangerous at the top. Oh, that's 4 more. That is superb batting by Nazimuddin. 12 from the over.
Few runs, but then that was a. Oh, that is a good shot. It's gone up in the air. Has it got enough legs? It has. He's on song. That is a biggie.
But in the first 6, but it doesn't matter. Beautiful, up and under. 6.28. That is significant, but here he starts by conceding a boundary. And a superb one. It's Shahriar.
That's a cracking shot. Yeah, it was there to be hit, but you need to reach to that delivery. You're playing against the spin. There's no turn, and he's gone through the shot. It's the bounce that is hit.
And that gives them license to play shots like this. That's in the gap.
Now he's complimenting his partner. That's a brilliant sweep. Nazimuddin has raised to 33 of 20.
In the air. There's a fielder camping under it. There it is. Alok Kapali it is. Parvez Maharouf makes no mistake.
Yeah, it's those 2 previous dot deliveries that's created the pressure. I mentioned that, and that one he did not time it well against the spin. I know it's no turn, but it is a very comfortable catch by
Shai's got it easily. Won't get 4. Oh, good fielding. Looked like he had it covered, but they
had an awkward bounce to contend with, and like a goalkeeper, he's extended his hands and stopped that ball from going over the ropes.
बीपीएल के लिए
आप बहुत खुश हो यहाँ पर आए हो, तो बीपीएल में आके आपको लग रहा है कि
Sheena, you got another wicket. Alok Kapali strikes. Nothing delivery. Very unlucky, these type of dismissals.
You want a wicket? Send Sheena down for an interview.
That's in the air, but he gets it safe. 4 runs. 4 runs to Nafees. Did say.
Swung around nicely. Shahriar Nafees was in the air for a while, but I suppose you can give him the credit for placing the ball away from the field.
Areas he works at. It's kids through, keeping low. You can add 4 more to that 275.
Sweep the ball seems to be a better option in the collection of runs. Again from the back of the hand going the other way, but this time Shahriar Nafees onto that in a flash and a safe enough option. He's played those sweep shots fine and square very, very comfortably.
Also brings up his 50.
Deliveries.
That's more like it. He really crunched that one.
That is a magnificent shot. Just making room, exposing his stumps, and he darts it on the middle stump, crashes it over the cover fielder. Just one bounce over to the fence.
4. Well played. You can't get predictable on that, but not this one.
It's a length. And he was expecting it because he was beaten first time, and he's crashed it over the infield, and this is a good shot, very good shot. So he's stepping on.
That's gone up. Brad Hodge getting under it, calls for it and takes it. Great technique. One, but importantly another dot ball.
Yeah, it's a slower delivery, and he knew that the batsman will go on to hit him, try to hit him out of the park, only managing to hit it up in the air, and well taken in the air.
Superb. The slower delivery, and he nets another. Make that 10. Bowled.
Yeah, it was a slow delivery, and he saw it quite early, but just didn't get that elevation, and it is straight to Shabir Rahman, who was standing at least 5 to 7 yards inside that boundary ropes. We talk about the top run.
Okay, that is one of those hits that they want. Right in the slot.
Nearly knocked the car out. Yeah, picked that up very early, and that is Farhad Reza. Didn't bother the run, and why would he? That is a biggie. 82 meters. Yeah, nearly. First delivery.
That's a comeback. Brad Hodge under it again, and he takes it easily. Thank you very much. It's only one more over after this.
He had to go, but he's a crafty bowler. Maharouf knew that he'll go take that gamble.
This is another one, and it's Brad Hodge again. What is he doing today?
Then Maharouf has bowled beautifully. It was short, and then he just couldn't control it. All he did was to, as you mentioned, catching practice. Give catching practice to Brad Hodge, who doesn't misses them.
Bowled him.
What an effort this is from Azhar Mahmood. No clue whatsoever. Batsman going down on the offside and exposing his stumps. All he managed to do is look back and see the.
He's hit that well. Good fielding. So that ends the inning. Oh, they're going for another one. Oh, that's sloppy. That's sloppy. One PL. He's been on antibiotics, but he is a fighter. Well, great start at the top. Nazimuddin on 33, Nafees 66. But take a look at the strike rate. Just not what they wanted at the start, and they were stifled in the first 6, and then that was the pressure that told on the middle order. There was not enough time for anybody to come in and play meaningful innings, and eventually 145 for 7. If they would imagine they're about 20-25 runs short.
Yep. If you look at the opening partnership, it's 60 of 51, and then there was a bit of a partnership between Wessel and Nafees, 40 of 20. I think that was a good one, which pulled it back for Khulna Royal, but in the end, nothing much to write home about. 145 is what they managed to pick at the end of the 20 overs.
Outstanding at the top. Azhar Mahmood, 3 wickets for 23 off his 4. He continues to be inspiring and an inspiration for the rest. 2 for 28 was Parvez Maharouf, who's come in. First game he's played. And 2 for 24, Kapali, who's been doing a job quietly in the middle for his team. The rest not amongst the wickets, but all contributing. None really expensive, except for Ilyas Sani, going for 14 in that 1 over he bowled.